Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Urdu Speaking Lesson. I am Amna Hashmi. How are you? आपका क्या हाल है? Well, I am fine, thank you. मैं ठीक हूँ, शुक्रिया. I hope that you do remember how to greet and ask about somebody's well-being, and you know and remember that how we say this in Urdu. This is something that we learned in our previous lesson. Alright, now let's give a look at the few more things and the words. So do you remember? Mom. How do we say that in Urdu? We say Ammi. Ammi. Then Dad. Dad. So, how do we say dad in Urdu? We say Abbu. Abbu. Brother. How do we say brother in Urdu? We say Bhai. Bhai. Then sister. How do we say sister in Urdu? We say Behan. Behan. I hope that you do remember all these from your previous lesson. And when you point at something, you say this, right? So how do we say this in Urdu? We say this in Urdu, ye. Ye. That. That. We point at something and say that when something is far away, right? So how do we say that in Urdu? We say wo. Wo. Right. And then thank you. How do we say thank you in Urdu? We say shukriya. Shukriya. So I hope that you do remember all these. Okay, so let's move towards our today's lesson. Today we will learn some names that we pronounce differently in Urdu. The first name is Adam. Adam. In English we say Adam, and in Urdu we say Adam. Adam. The second name is Eve. Eve. And in Urdu we say Hawa. Hawa. The third name is Isaac. Isaac. And in Urdu we say Ishaq. Ishaq. Now let's repeat one more time. Adam. Adam. Eve. Hawa. Isaac. Ishaq. Now repeat many times for practice. There are a few more names in this lesson that we will cover. So the fourth name is David. In English we say David. And in Urdu, Daud. Daud. The fifth name is Joseph. Joseph. And in Urdu we say Yusuf. Yusuf. The sixth and the last name for this lesson is Mary. In English we say Mary, and in Urdu, Maryam. Maryam. Let's repeat these names one more time. David, Daud, Joseph, Yusuf, Mary, Maryam. Repeat many times for practice. Alright. So, let's learn a sentence that how we tell the name of somebody in Urdu out of these names. So how do we say it? Let's learn to say, my brother's name is Isaac. In English we say, my brother's name is Isaac. Now how do we say that in Urdu? We say, मेरे भाई का नाम इसहाक है. Now one more time. मेरे भाई का नाम इसहाक है. My brother's name is Isaac. मेरे भाई का नाम इसहाक है. Repeat many times for practice. Alright, so in place of Ishaq, you can say the other names as well. For example, मेरे भाई का नाम दाऊद है. My brother's name is David. Or any other name that we learned in this lesson as well. Or if the name is something else, you can say that as well. Alright, I hope that you have understood. Now, do watch this video and repeat many times for practice. Alright, so this is the end of our lesson. I will be seeing you in next lesson. Till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.